Surabaya, Indonesia. Welcome back, travelers. If you love discovering new places and cultures, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you never miss an adventure. Nestled on the northeastern coast of Java, Surabaya, Indonesia's second-largest city, is a vibrant blend of modernity and tradition. As the sun rises, the city awakens to a symphony of sounds, busy markets, honking scooters, and the rhythmic chants from mosques. Surabaya, often called the City of Heroes, holds a special place in Indonesian history. It's a city that wears its past with pride, commemorating the Battle of Surabaya in 1945, a pivotal moment in the fight for independence. The history of Surabaya. Surabaya, Indonesia's second-largest city, is more than just a bustling metropolis. It is a city steeped in rich history and cultural heritage. Its story begins long before it became the modern urban center we see today. The name Surabaya is derived from the words suro, meaning shark, and boyo, meaning crocodile. According to local legend, these two mighty creatures fought a fierce battle for supremacy, symbolizing the city's resilience and strength. Surabaya's strategic location on the northeastern coast of Java has always made it a significant port and trading hub. In the early 15th century, it was part of the Majapahit Kingdom, one of Indonesia's greatest empires. The kingdom was renowned for its influence and wealth, and Surabaya played a crucial role as a major port in the empire's extensive maritime trade network. In the 16th century, Surabaya emerged as an important Islamic center in Java, attracting traders and scholars from across the region. The city's transformation continued under the Dutch East India Company, VOC, in the 17th century, when it became a vital colonial outpost. The Dutch fortified the city and developed it into a bustling center of commerce, connecting Java with the rest of the world. The 20th century brought significant change to Surabaya. During World War II, the city was occupied by Japanese forces, marking a dark period in its history. However, the true turning point came in 1945, during the Indonesian struggle for independence. The Battle of Surabaya, which took place in November of that year, was one of the most pivotal and bloodiest confrontations between Indonesian nationalists and British and Dutch forces. The fierce resistance put up by the people of Surabaya earned the city its nickname, City of Heroes, and played a crucial role in galvanizing the independence movement across the archipelago. In the decades following independence, Surabaya continued to grow and develop. Today, it is a dynamic city that blends its historical heritage with modern urban life. Landmarks such as the Heroes Monument, Tugu Pahlawan, and the Museum November 10th stand as testaments to the city's enduring spirit and its significant place in Indonesian history. Strolling through the old town, you'll find Dutch colonial architecture standing shoulder to shoulder with sleek skyscrapers, symbolizing Surabaya's journey from its colonial past to a bustling metropolis. The House of Sampurna, a beautifully preserved cigarette factory, offers a glimpse into the city's industrial heritage and the intricate art of hand-rolling cigarettes, a craft that has been passed down through generations. As you wander deeper into the heart of the city, the aroma of spices and grilled sauté beckons you towards the bustling street food markets. Surabaya's culinary scene is a melting pot of flavors, with dishes like raywan, a rich beef soup darkened with kluwak nuts, and rujak singer, a unique salad featuring cow snout, tantalizing your taste buds. No visit to Surabaya would be complete without a trip to the Suramadu Bridge, the longest bridge in Indonesia, connecting Java to the island of Madura. This engineering marvel is not just a vital transport link, but also a symbol of progress and unity. From its vantage point, you can witness the serene beauty of the Madura Strait, especially during sunset when the sky is painted in hues of orange and pink. For those seeking tranquility, the city offers lush green spaces like Taman Bungkal, a popular park where locals gather for exercise, picnics, and socializing. The park is a testament to the community spirit of Surabaya, a city that, despite its rapid growth, retains a strong sense of togetherness. As the day draws to a close, Surabaya's skyline lights up, reflecting off the waters of the port, a reminder of its crucial role as a trading hub. The city's nightlife buzzes with energy, from lively night markets to chic rooftop bars, offering a perfect end to your exploration. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Surabaya. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more exciting travel stories. Until next time, happy travels!